Hey there, Brian Horvath here with another LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip. And you can see right down below that we got to go quickly. And I got a lot to say today about an important topic that I think will bless you and help you as you navigate LinkedIn land, as you leverage the world's largest professional network. So here it is. I'm going to share with you the purposeful LinkedIn framework. Too many times we go onto LinkedIn and it becomes like a social media, a normal social media feed or frenzy where you get locked and loaded and all of a sudden you look at your watch and it's like 2 hours later, what happened? Don't do that with LinkedIn. You can avoid that by using my purposeful LinkedIn framework. And I want to share that with you in the next 1 minute and 20 seconds. The first thing you want to think about, why am I here? What is your vision for your time you're going to invest into LinkedIn? Let's get about doing it and let's get started fast and ignore all the other details or all the other distractions. Where am I going to go? Am I going to go to look at profiles? Am I going to go to search? Am I going to post comments? Am I going to go to LinkedIn groups? What am I going to go do while I'm on LinkedIn? Be sure and be clear about that. And then once you start getting engaged with why you're there and what you're going to go do, make sure that you understand what you're going to say. LinkedIn is about connecting, communicating, and collaborating. It involves two sides, you being one person and the other people on the other side of that communication. What are you going to say? How are you going to say it? And then also, how can I serve others? Have that mindset of seeking to serve. Don't just look what's in it for you. See how you can connect people, how you can serve people, how you can add value. And then, who can help me? It's okay to be helped. It's okay to ask for help. That's a good thing. Who can help you get the job done? Who can help you move the ball forward? And then also, when are you stopping? I already said, don't get sucked into LinkedIn land. When are you stopping? Don't make it be 2 hours and you got nothing done. So that's my LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip. I want you to be purposeful in LinkedIn, but also in life. I came up with a new awesome guide called Your Purposeful One Pager, how to know, live, and love your purpose in one page. There it is right there for you. You can download it for free at brianhorvath.com/purposeful. I went a little long. Whew, it's tiresome sometimes, but fun to serve you. Hope you enjoyed this LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip.